Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Ecotec 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, trailer hitch receiver, Rancho shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.